Deva Bratt always a beat. He wants to shoot at people. That's all I know. You see, so, yo, so what you say I go on now? Come see the money man says some warriors in the air, you know, and them think they am beef and all of them something they are going. Remember, so when me see the beef, the dogs, them near me food when me chef, you know. This is the season for the beef.
Fever are unstoppable. Licking in your pussy clog. You think nobody a fool? See them licking with their bumbo, yes? Or say wall.
When I walk and run, somebody better figure sharp and ground. The war start and I got done. Never try.
Pull up on TV and a club at TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up.
Me see Budbury popcorn to rascal, Ghana rascal church pussy. How you there blood clot church I do? In bumble, you no need God. In pussy. So a bag of man them will always behind blood clot you, then their church with you too. In pussy. Me say this big pussy boy, you know see your pussy big just like your mama pussy. What wrong with your bumble? No make no blood clot sense say your mama pussy still look like chiffon butter. What the fuck wrong with your boy? You know what sense? Boy, you got blood clot church and the church look like a thief in blood clot church. Preacher look like him a blood clot thief too. Pussy wall. And when you walk out of church, you walk out of church with a bag of blood clot, man, and continue to do your fuckery, your violence and your crime, them. Pussy wall, them soon lock up your bumbo clot. It's just a matter of pussy clot time. Both you gonna church. What you there church I do? You don't need no blood clot church, nigga. What wrong with you know?
Yes, it's true. What you must say? But Black Ryno, a real talk. Black Ryno draw a knife off of me when me there at some fest. See? Road boy, I'm not wrong in road boy. When a man want make it in life, brother, not make nothing stop you. I understand, say you feel like say Deva Bratt was the problem when we can never perform at that some fest. I don't know if it's 2006 or 2007 some fest. It was when Deva Bratt and the Portmore Empire perform on some fest. Me can't see nowhere on the internet because them don't have an ulterior motive. Anyway, as me say, the performance go on and we reach back at the hotel. Without a door, we reach, everyone's reach forward, me go put on my stuff them and, you know, my brethren call me from Canada, Nitro, call me. Cause me acting, you know. I mean, I do be a dub for Nitro. So Nitro called me downstairs and all of a sudden, me see Black Ryno come down to me downstairs and I say, yo, dog, you're a pussy in a dog, you know, make me perform in a dog. Yo, dog, my bex in this, right in front of Nitro them, you know. Right in front of big bumbuckle respectable selector in a dog. You must know how I feel. For see the me say Portmore Empire and the little youth, the littlest youth in a Portmore Empire, I go forward to me and I go tell me say, yo dog, him bex say him not perform. Well, him should have glad for have the opportunity say, yo, a youth where Vibes Cartel did a bex with him say him must say Vibes Cartel take when him song was say no. Cause him did have a song where say no. Only deal with that part there, when play the two songs them and show the world what go on. So only know say no lie me I tell. So Cartel did that ads with him. Deva Bratt put him in a Portmore Empire. So now you're good with Vibes Cartel. You not get to perform at some fest and you come to Deva Bratt now and say me not make you perform when me I follow someone. So me gonna show now the envy go around the whole empire, bro. The story shall be told. The man goes up and say, I mean make him not perform, pop off one knife and I say, yo, dog, blood me. So Black Ryno pop off one knife and say, yo, blood me for blood there, you know, dog. Like him I say, tab me for tab there, you know. Me I say, John Ho, in front of Nitro them the man I do this, you know. Nitro can attest to this. If Nitro a long time in a chat to Nitro, if him alive and well, him can attest to this. Saying Black Ryno pop off one knife to him. And a Nitro beg me say, yo, don't do it, me say Nitro. Me go kill that little youth here. But you know what? I'm glad how Nitro didn't stop me from engage with him because guess what now? It wouldn't work out well because trust me. The local youth, me know him can't manage me at the time. And me know say him not understand what him do. And me know say he must been programmed. Because there's no way you ever come from Wishpan with you up in a room. If you give thanks say your empire take over the place and you come to me, say you not get for perform and a pop off knife off for me. So this is where I get for know say yo, behind closed doors, things are being talked. Say yo, Deva Bratt is uncontrollable and certain things. So boy, may I tell you, bro. When the story yo, me good. Me good. Wanna go and run the place with yourself. Wanna run the place. Wanna go and par with each other and pretend all days of life. Me go stay real to my thing and stay real to myself. And I think that they explain the story. Bye.
Can't tell her this, man. You see this dancehall game, this music game on a wall, and a easy road. When you get the chance to break out as an artist, make use of it. What me say? Make use of it. Dominate your craft. Determine. You can't lay back. Make use of it. Me can tell you that. When the light shine upon you, make use of it. Can tell you that. I'm the Georgetown Guyana. And I tell you say, I'm a dog a reason. A Guyanese. I'm say to me, want to share no? And I say, boy, it's rough, you know. I'll know she no can't pay light. Pay dark room to blood clot. I'll know he can't pay the light bill. Still in a dark room. Boy, I tell her it's rough, you know. From she no sing about dark room. Remember, we all know so she no in a dark room, you know. From the man go sing about it to blood not. Come like the room get dark upon him to pussy clot. Boy, it's serious, man. Boy, I tell you. Enough artists look at come back and come like it now work for them. Whole heap of artists. So Kevin the doctor there, come back. Bad vocal, bad lyricist. But people them nah give him the chance, brother. Kawa. Quarter them beat him with belt. Why me I tell you if I'm like Kevin the doctor, you know. I get a man with that video, you know. Anyway, quarter there, you know, I find him, you know. And give him 6 out of 1 belt, you know. Yeah, man. If I run off, I run off. But I give him 6 out of 1 belt, man. Boy, me I tell you to blood. Now, the man I sing some good song, you know. And I tell you, just to look beaten. Last time I can't tell a man this, you know. I say badness in a dancehall. Work. It's on away, but badness work. Yeah, man. If Jamal never had bad up themselves, they want to bust neither, you know. Can't tell a man that. Badness work in a dancehall. It's on away, but work. Yeah, man. So all the artists them, I can't tell you no make use of no time. Yeah, man. No joke. Make use of it. No jungle. That's that me I say. Yeah, man.
Lip and pick that, get back or get capped. Blood, I don't do lip chat, cause Deva Bratt trapping on this track. On this track, it's a diss track. From making a hit song on a hit track. Locked on dancehall and hip hop, good luck when you tick clack, knick knack.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.
Jafara, you represent. We'll pay just record. Anyhow, wanna tell them, no, man. Well, I never did that one for me. No for them, never did one for me. When I we sing them, I like the sky. Life is like a paper.
Tony Matterhorn, you, I don't know bumbo clock bad man, you know. Remember that, you know. No boy never backed me in my face and kick me down yet. Remember say, baby face, box down your blood clot and kick you off of the sound. Remember when the man run you off of his sound, let me bring you back and freshen up your blood clot memory. Tony Matterhorn. Remember say, you, blood clot, baby face, box down and kick down and kick you off of the blood clot sound, you know. And who blood clot resurrect you? No bounty killer where you drag today. The same bounty killer, the warlord, him save you. And look who you try to drag now. Sorry for Marga dog, them turn round, bite you, never feel dog. The same people them when you turn round help. I see them people them in a long run, turn round and blood clot stab you in your back. Bounty for that make you drown. You see me I say? The amount of batty up your name and suck pussy up your name and blood clot foot hype say you want him a friend. But him a straight nation boss. But everybody with foot hype a straight Since him a straight nation boss, I just about every friend we put a hype have make a mistake with this batty talk and call it out from blood clot mic. How your brains a blood clot operate that way there? For you the pan mic and you say you are the biggest batty man. That don't make sense. And not only that, Tony Matterhorn, a little baby blood clot youth just rise up and start doing thing. And in blood clot, I you become DJ for him. And what you gonna do? You gonna play one bumbo clot Vibes Cartel. When time this a man you no deal with cartel. And the man dance. And the man step to you and say, pussy, what you do? You are pussy for that Matterhorn. Wait, what did you do to Alkaline? Little baby Alkaline. What you did do to him? Tony Matterhorn? It has been reported that you are the biggest batty boy in of dancehall and the biggest pussy. You understand? Because I never you wear beating a boy around here, so a man beat you. You understand? So nobody come, you have bad bumbo clot talk. You are no gangster.
Klaba TV go sucka kang. Quiz panichiga this a one can jam. Big up your TV number one. Them a tear down the fence when you bust this a one. Shuku. Kang. You don't know. A Bobby Wonder. You see me? And you don't know.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who a get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody blood a fi go sharp and bum. The war start